Alright guys, again I'm having this signal here. As you can see, I'm having another signal. Yup. So this one is 100% going down. So we had this uptrend, alright, and we have now a downtrend. So a red candle was created here, and hopefully this one is going down. So yeah, if my prediction is right and this one went down, a red candle created, I will make 400, as you can see, $430. If my prediction is wrong, I will lose $500. So yeah, in this case, look, my prediction is right. So we still have 12 seconds to 10 seconds. If the market closes below this line, all right, yeah, as predicted, $430. Guys, the strategy I'm using here is simple. The strategy is based on some indicators, on chart patterns, on some indicators. Look, on some indicators here. Yeah, and a money management method. All right, money management method. Yeah, so hopefully guys, if my prediction is right here, I'm making another $400. And if you're interested in learning this strategy, guys, there is a course in the description below where I will teach you everything I learned over the years. Everything I know about binary option trading is explained in the course in the description below. I invite you to go and take a look. All right, let's take with me. Let's see if I will take with me. So yeah, we still have 2 seconds. Look, yup, we made $430. Simple as that. Yup. I guess we already made $1,000. I guess no. We was at 200. I don't know. At the beginning of this trade, I was at 231 or $30,000. Yeah, I was at $230,000. But I don't know how much here. So I was at $230,000, and now I'm at $231,000, meaning that I made almost $3,000 in less than 3 minutes. Yeah, amazing. That's why I love binary options. This strategy also can be yeah, this one is going down. This strategy is also can be used on forex. Here I'm using it on binary, on pound USD. You can use it on forex, on on crypto trading, on stock trading, on any domain that uses candlesticks. So the strategy is based on the candlesticks. This is a candlestick. This is a candle. Those are candlesticks. The strategy is based on the candlesticks. So with the strategy, we use the indicator, the results from the indicator, the data from this indicator, the shape of the market created by the indicator. I apply the rules from my strategy. The rules are explained in below in the description. So yeah, if everything is as described, I'm making this profit. So the first thing you need to do is to have a good strategy. The second thing is to respect that strategy, apply discipline, respect the rules. The third thing is never use emotions. Remember, never use emotions. So strategy, a good strategy. Wait a minute, let me open this trade. All right, this one is going up also. So the first thing is to have a good strategy. The second thing is to respect the rules of the strategy, apply the rules from the strategy. Third thing, never use emotions. And the fourth thing is never panic. You need to never panic and have a good money management method. Those are the 4 principles that you need before starting to trade. Yeah, let's take with me another $430. Let's see, another $430. So if my prediction is right, so I invested $500, I will make, I already made $430. Yeah, Look, we made over $2,000 already. $2,000. So we are at $233,000. We was at $230,000 a few minutes before now, and now I'm at $230,000. All right. Let me check. Yeah, as predicted, this one is also going up. This one is also going up. Let me check. If my prediction is right, guys, I'm making $430. If my prediction is wrong, I'm losing. As you can see here, my prediction changed. Now last seconds I'm making $430. We still have 2 candlesticks. So please remember, trading binary option is risky. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing with you these videos to tell you that making money on binary option is possible. This is a simulation of what is possible to be done on binary option, on iqoption, pocket option, Kotex, different binary option trading platforms. It is possible to make money, but it's not 100% guaranteed. I'm not guaranteeing you anything. You need to be careful. You need to spend a lot of time. You need to practice on demo account. Practice. Use a good strategy. And hopefully by the end, you will make enough money. Yep. Another win, I guess. We still have another signal to open. Yeah, I still have another signal to open. All right. Let's see. Yep. This one is going down as predicted. Yeah. And guys, don't depend on anybody else. Please don't depend on anybody else. Depend on yourself only. You are the only one who can help you make profitable trades. Don't buy signals. Don't listen to mentors, those pretending to be mentors and trying to sell you mentorship. Don't buy those stuff. The only thing that you need is yourself. You need knowledge. You need to learn indicators, learn good strategy. Yeah, I guess that's it. All right.